Hello and welcome back to the channel. This week we are touring one of my absolute favorite neighborhoods in West Plano. This gated community features beautiful custom homes and they just opened up a new phase of luxury condos. This week, we're in Normandy Estates. Located on the west side of the tollway, right off of Spring Creek Parkway. This gives you easy access to shopping, restaurants, and entertainment at Legacy West, the Star, and puts you a short drive from major headquarters like Frito-Lay, Toyota, and lots more. And driving through this neighborhood, you'll wind through sloping hills, you'll see a beautiful lake with a fountain and fishing dock. Beside the lake, there's a nice walking trail that walks you around the border of the lake and then back through the neighborhood. It is truly so scenic and natural, and it's hard to believe that this is in all the action that is Plano. You've got a scenic escape amidst city living. I think you got the best of both worlds. Homes in this neighborhood have mostly been custom built by 6 different esteemed Texas-based custom builders. And I'll list these out here just so you know who's in this neighborhood. Starside Custom Builders is the one that is finishing out the final phase in this neighborhood of the luxury condominiums, and we will get to those here in just a second. But Starside also has 2 single-family homes available. They're the last 2 available in this neighborhood, so if you're interested, please feel free to reach out to me and I'll get you those details. One of them is supposed to be finished in the next 6 months, and the other is supposed to be finished in the next 12 months. So if you want lot sizes and dimensions and square footage, let me know. I would be happy to send that information over to you, but I digress. On the estate side of the neighborhood, those homes surround a man-made lake and are built on larger lots starting about a half an acre. These homes were built with the growing family in mind. They're also zoned to Plano ISD. So half the neighborhood is zoned to Louisville ISD and the other half is Plano ISD. So if you're someone who's looking in this neighborhood, just keep that in mind. If you've got kids, typically Plano ISD is very highly rated. Some schools in Louisville are pretty good, others are not rated as highly as Plano, so just something to look out for if you're looking in this neighborhood. On the other side of the neighborhood, you have the villas. These homes are a bit closer together, but still have that luxury and custom product. Let's talk about the final phase in Normandy Estates, the Sur Le Lac Condominiums. I had the privilege to tour these this past week, and guys, I was truly so impressed, so I can't wait to talk about these. Located within the Normandy Estates neighborhood, so you share all the benefits of living in this gated community. Sur Le Lac means on the lake, and these condos are perched on a hilltop beside the estates, overlooking the lake. These condos were built by luxury home builder Starside Construction and designed by Lloyd Lumpkins. The condo community offers an exclusive amenity center featuring a luxury lap pool and spa, exercise room, outdoor putting green, an outdoor kitchen, and fireplace. And these amenities for the condos are exclusive to the condos. So the benefit here, if you live in these condominiums, you have all the benefits of living in Normandy Estates. But if you live in Normandy Estates, you do not have access to the condominium amenities. So residents of Sur Le Lac Condominiums, they have exclusive access to their amenity center. The community offers 40 condo units, ranging in square footage from about 2,350 to 2,990 square feet. They all feature 2 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms, and pricing starts at $1.3 million. Now, each condo is 1 level and assigned 2 parking spaces in the secure underground parking garage. And one thing I want to mention about this private garage is if you are an EV owner, so electrical vehicle owner, they do have options for you. I am also an EV owner. I'm always looking out for the EV charging stations and chargers. And especially if you're living in a condominium and you don't have your own personal garage, you want to make sure you can charge your car. I totally get that. And I did ask the question. You do have EV options for guest parking. You also can install an EV charger in your own parking spot. So they are EV friendly. All of you EV owners who are wanting a condo, the ease of living, they have options for you here. So just wanted to let you know. One of the great things about these condos is there are no stairs, so you can park in the underground garage and take the elevator straight up to your unit. If you have groceries, you can store your grocery buggy in the storage unit beside your parking spot and wheel your groceries straight upstairs. So I'm gonna be showing you 2 different floor plans in Building A. Building A was the first to be completed. They've sold half of these units and they have half of them left. They're supposed to be opening up Building B here soon, and then Building C will start selling in January of 2024. There's a couple different floor plans here, so I'm gonna show you 2 today, but there's a couple other ones that you can choose from. They're all listed on the website, but if you'd like more details about these specific units, if you're relocating to this area and would love a virtual tour, let me know. I would be happy to help you. I do virtual tours all the time for my relocation clients, so that is definitely something that we can do for you. So the first floor plan I'm gonna be showing you is on level 1, and the second unit I'm gonna be showing you is on level 2, and it's a corner unit. So you've got even more light on the second one, but both of these are absolutely beautiful. They feature 2 bedrooms, 2 full bathrooms. You have a laundry room in both of these, tankless water heater. I'll stop talking now. I wanna show you these units, so I hope you enjoy the tour. liked the tour of both of these floor plans, comment down below what you thought about these, what you think of the Normandy Estates neighborhood, the amenities, these units specifically. Would love to know your thoughts. If you're someone who's relocating to this area and you want a virtual tour of either the single family new construction, or if you'd like to tour these Sur Le Lac condominiums, let me know. Would love to get more information in your inbox. And of course, would love to virtually show you. If you're interested in living in a condo, you don't want the maintenance of your single family home, if you're ready for something easy breezy and beautiful, star side, easy breezy beautiful, Sur Le Lac, then reach out to me. Would love to help you. But if nothing else, I will see you guys on the next video.